Alright guys, naglaro lang ako tapos di ko alam kung ano nangyayari dito. Guys, kaka-join ko lang. What the stigma? Bro! Bro! Iban natin yan. Bro! Bro! Cringe. Bro! Bro, what is he doing? I don't know. Bro, am I playing the other game? Please delete that. Yo. Yo, let me just drive. Oh my god. Oh my god guys, dito na ginagawa ko ng part 3. Oh my god guys. Okay. Nasa na yung brown ano ko, kotse ko. Where's my brown Pucci? Ayun. No layo. No layo. Sana no layo. Okay na to. Oh my god. Yo, i-delete mo yan. Baka maban ka. Send it to someone. Send that to someone, bro. Bro, I think we should play another server. Alright, let me play another server. I don't know what's going on in the Brookhaven, bros. What's going on in the Brookhaven? What's happened to Brookhaven? Alright, let's join again. Alright, the server is normal now, finally. Finally guys, it's normal. It's normal. Skibidi. Skibidi what? Skibidi boom, skibidi yeah. Guys, kung gusto nyo magawa ng part 4, mag-subscribe kayo ulit. Mini Black Pencil. Mulayo. Guys, di ko alam kung ano nagyari. Baka hacker lang. Guys, baka goofy na pala yun. So goofy and so pangit. Like and subscribe. Nabiyan, ba't lagi ganon? Umaga guys, thank you for 211 subscribers. Umaga. Next time we will reach 300. No layo, no layo. Sana no layo. What the? Bro, bakit sila sa lobby lang? Bro, having fun driving. La 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 la. Never mind. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Having fun driving. Go. Oh. layo. Sana layo. Wow. Mini black pencil. Oh. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. Oh! Oh no. I need to save the grocery. I need to save the grocery. And... ooh. I pulled out the grocery. And... go to sleep. 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 Go. 2. Sleep. Alright, bet. Ching 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 ching. Come on. Da. Oh no, another hacking. What is that, bro? Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Another hacking. Oh my god, we get the money. Let's go. They want let us catch. Yes, guys, we're so foggy. Cat. What does that mean? Oh, it's Robux. Uy, may tao dito. Tao. Takbo tayo. Oh my god. Takbo tayo, boy.
Hello.
Is it chasing
Wait lang
us?
po. Tawagan ko lang po si natin.
Is it chasing us?
Ay, kinansel. Kinansel.
Let's go. Ah. Now this is your phone. Let's change. We'll be fast. Now this is your phone. Now this is your phone. Wait, kailangan natin may game.
Please lang natin.
Let's change our car to this.
Okay. Sige guys, sorry. Merong emergency si natin.
Kunyari, we're incense.
Anak sa hospital. Pasensya na daw. Pasensya na guys. I'm sorry about this. Siguro we can set up within this week. Reschedule lang natin. Thank you guys. Pasensya
Oh.
na po. Alright.
Eh, oh my. No, this is so far. Oh, whoa. Whoa. And guys, our car. Oh my god. It's right there. Alright, it's better now. Wait. Did someone rob? Let's watch it. Ayan ba? I'm watching you. I have no privacy. Somebody somebody watching me. I have no privacy. Oh, somebody feels like somebody's watching me. I am watching you. I am watching you. Perfect scared though. Perfect scared. Perfect scared, bros. Nice scared. Nag-leave. That's what you call life hack. To rob. Alright, we need a go-kart right here. Motor na lang tayo. Now this is your phone. Umaga, mahirap ito. Bakit may kabayo? I mean, horse. Kabayo ba Tagalog? Bakit ang hirap control? Hindi ang hirap control. Oh! Ay sayang. Let me buy a new house. Oh, boy. Bye-bye, motor. Listen to your never release. Let's spot our car. Anong car kaya? This one din. Tara lang. Oh! Oh! Ay, hindi siya siya ba yun? Hindi siya nag-leave. Is that him? I'ma drive. I'ma go there. Did someone rob the bank? Robbing is bad, bro. Yo, is that police? Ay, nag-teleport. Alam ko yan, nag-teleport. I'ma come there, bro, and kill you. Nandito lang, oh. Hindi niya napansin. Anong ginagawa niya? Ba't kumakain siya? Yo, I'ma eat for you. Meron bang pizza? I need some pizza. Ayun, pizza. I'ma eat for you, dude. Ayowaki eating. Look at me. 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 Oh! Hello, halika rito. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here, bro. Come here. I'm going to kill you. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, bro. Bro, fake. Oh, nice one. Take that. I'ma cook you. I'ma cook you, bro. Bro, why bro change? Bro, just change. No. No. Die bye, bro. It's my car now. No, stop. Stop, please. No. Stop. 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 He don't like me. No. Alright, guys. Dito ko muna tatapos yung video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, click na ng bell button ko kung may bagong video. Bye-bye!